Okay, so all we gotta do is where's my oh, oops. Hold on. Wait, where did I put that? There it is. Okay. So, oh, and you know what? I'm gonna get a tap and die set. I'm gonna order this thing. I want to try this out. I saw online this video, this guy, and he one guy I saw said, "Oh, it doesn't ever make sense to tap, blind holes or even through holes in 3D printed parts." But honestly, I found another guy, and he sounded much more reasonable. And he said, if you're wasting a bunch of these threaded inserts, you might as well. Anyway, so I'm getting a tap and die set metric. Okay. Because I would like to see if I can get, because a lot of parts do not need threaded inserts. I would love to do the test to see if there were actually, how much stronger threaded inserts are compared to, just a tapped hole, but honestly, I feel like for most of my parts, it does not matter. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this thing, this servo, and we are just going to extend it. So it's going to go onto here. So I think it needs to be, I don't know how long I want it to be. But let's do this. Okay. Okay. So what are we doing? We're gonna take this thing and let's see here. This is like this. This is like this. Let's make it go all the way out. I guess it's actually like this. It goes out to here. He said 55 centimeters, but I don't really know. Alright, I'm gonna do that length. Where's my wire strippers? Okay. Then we gotta get a red. It's the same length. And then we'll get a, I guess we'll get a yellow. And then we're gonna crimp them. And then we should be all good. Okay. Alright. So I say we just solder these on right now. So these are 26. Let's do this. Where's my third hand? Alright. Honestly, I don't know how much I'm gonna need this thing. You basically want can we twist them up? I know that there's a better way than soldering them, but I'm just going to solder them. And I think I might be able to do this. I'm getting it. Not really. I do kind of want to get something airflow wise. But okay. Okay, that's one. Let's just do it. I think I'm gonna put a 3-3-1 crimp on this thing, or whatever it's called, a 3x1. One of these things. I've never been a big fan of the heat shrink tubing. Mainly, the heat shrink tubing thing is kind of lame because you need a heat gun. And I just don't have the space for a heat gun. I feel like I'm down to just use electrical tape, which is so cringe, but it's like, you know. Alright. I don't know if I have scissors here. Let's try to use these. Alright, we are close. Okay. Cool. Now we need this. Now we need this. I swear these things don't cut at all. What the hell? They call it Crypt City. Crypt City. Just start with black. Moment of truth. Damn it. There we go. Alright. One down. Two to go. Dude, I wish someone would come in here and tell me what an idiot I am for doing DuPont connectors. DuPont connectors are so stupid. Oh my gosh. I mean, but how else do you do it, right? One over me. Please. No, bro, you gotta be kidding me. I busted the... Wait, did I bust it? It's good enough. It's good enough. don't push my luck, you know? Don't push my luck. That's the key. Bruh. Alright, come on. This is it. Last one. God damn it. These things they're just so unreliable, man. Alright, come on. This is it. Oh yeah. Look at that. I'm gonna take a... Alright, I'm just gonna install it. We're just gonna install it. Okay. What am I doing? Alright. Now, we can, well, we can plug everything in, but I'd rather plug everything in after the fact. So what we have to do is we have to take the servo and put its little mounting bracket on. Okay. And then what did we decide? We decided that here we're gonna do the long one because I'm out of the correct bolt. It's supposed to come, I think, tomorrow. Come on, get in there. There we go. Okay, it's loose, but it's fine. So now we can put this onto here. Okay. Alright, it's as strong as it's gonna get. Alright, so now the test is, we want to see if it can lift the pen. Okay, so the pen's on there like that. Now we got this connector. And we, I guess we seem to have lost the other thing. But hold on. So let's just get this straight. So this thing is that. This thing. Okay, is on the freaking disgusting Wago. So this ground needs to go to this ground. Is that plugged in? No. Okay, good. Then this red needs to get plugged into the red. And this black needs to be plugged into this black. Okay, so now we have a common ground. So I'm using this Wago connector for the common ground so that I don't have to worry about using the breadboard. So we did that last night. So the only last thing to connect up is the signal. And I forget where oh, here, maybe it's this. Yeah. So now we get signal, and this signal goes to the Z plus, Z minus, I think. I forget. We'll find out in a moment. Oh yeah, I should write some of this stuff down actually. So in the README, we want to write that let's go to the top. So the limit switch X plus Y plus then Z minus for servo. Alright, I mean everything should be hooked up, so we should be able to just run. I think I should be able to just do this. Oh wait. Okay. Oh, I forgot to put a freaking... Oh! Why did I do that? Hold on. I'm so stupid. Okay, hold on. Okay, we gotta fix this. I forgot to put I forgot to put this little piece on it. So it doesn't actually have a flipper. Wait, hold on. If I just do one, I'll be able to get it on. Okay. So what do we want to do? We want to like this. Oh, we need to actually unplug this. Then we should be able to. force it. Wow, it's super hard to back drive this thing. Okay, then how far down do we want it? Maybe like... That's not far down enough. We basically want it as close to touching the ground as possible without touching the ground. Okay, that should be good. Okay, so yesterday was 120 and 140, I think. That was like the sweet spot. Shit. There we go. Okay, we're almost ready to test this thing. Okay, plug it back in. Oh, do we have a way to do this? Hold on, does this happen every time? Let's unplug it. It's so hard to back drive. I don't even know how I'm gonna do this. Alright, let's just try to give it a command while I'm holding it up. That was gonna fail. Is it driving into this thing? M3S140. Please work. Damn it. Wait, it's not connected. What? Uh-oh. Okay, I reset it. I gotta pee, though. Is it working? Alright, I don't know what's going on. I reset it, though. Maybe I shorted something. Okay. What happened? Let's unplug. I don't know what could have happened. Let's try to just upload it again. What happened? Try to unplug the. Please tell me I didn't fry this board, man. Okay, cool. Well, that's good. Something weird did happen, though. Okay, hold on. Okay. Nice. Okay, it's all set up. It's kind of the moment of truth. I did sleep. I slept for a little bit. Okay, so wait. So let's see. You should see the pen lift up if I do an M3S 120. Eh. Alright, let's do a little test. Okay, so we're gonna do M3S 140. And it's stuck there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have a problem, honestly. Okay, so it's at 140, so this should be touching the ground. So it's touching the ground right now. Okay, and now what we want to do is we want to raise it up. I mean, that's kind of all you need, but the question is, okay. Wait, why did it just restart? Something weird just happened. There we go. The deflection is causing it to, alright, so now I can do M3S 140. Okay, okay. Not the best, so wait, is this raised or lowered? It kind of works. Raise it up again. I wonder if we can get to 110. But I feel like that's kind of the limit, right? Kind of works. It kind of works. Yeah, I know. Me neither. I didn't expect it to work this well. I am pleasantly surprised. So what we're gonna do is, so my friend recommended I try to draw a spiral. I think a spiral would be really cool. Um, I kind of want to try it with a different type of pen. Let's see if we can do a different pen. Because then it's not going to bleed as much. Okay, I don't think this one's going to go as well. So let's raise it up. I did it to... Okay, so that's raised. Sort of works. So let's go to... I don't know. This pen has some weird geometry. Yeah, it's not supposed to be drawing because it's raised. Getting that alignment on there is going to be kind of a pain in the butt. Oh, a penis, dude? That's such a good idea. That's such a good idea. I mean, that's obviously the first thing I need to draw. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, wait, but hold on. We gotta raise it up just... Wait, hold on. Okay, so this is lowered. Okay, so if we do... Damn. Okay. See, the problem with this... Yes, right. Obviously, that's the reason. Yeah, this type of pen is not so... Well, what if I have lots of pens, right? Let's see. Is this one good? This one's good. So why don't we just break off this thing? Because it needs to be like... Or just fold it up. Okay. So we want it to be pressed... Okay, let's try to raise it up. Still touching. Lower it down. For some reason, this one's being a little annoying, man. So we want... The pad of paper is also... There we go. See, it's got some drag to it. It's not great, though. So if I do a G... Okay, it made a line. So now we want to lift it up. Alright, so we got it. We got it. So I want to tighten that down. Alright, then we want to lower it back down. Raise it up. Nice. Okay. You need to make a rather flaccid penis to make it realistic. What the heck? Okay. Okay, let's try it. Let's just try to write the code manually. Okay, so wait, first off, we're gonna raise it up, and then we're gonna home it. Okay, so now we're gonna pen. Okay, all right. So all right. So let's draw the first circle. Let's do this thing. All right. So penis.g code. So the first thing we're going to do is G2 X 189, or let's wait, first off let's do a G0 X 190. Okay, wait, first off we do M3S 110. Then we do M3, then we put down the pen. Oh, hold on, let me show the code. Then we put down the pen, so this is going to be M3S 140. Then we're going to do G2 X 180R10 F2000, something like that. And then we're going to do G2 X190, wait, X180. We're going to try to make a circle. Okay, so I'm going to try to run this program. So we're going to close the serial monitor, and then we're going to do python run.py, except we have to go python penis.g code. Let's try it again. The problem is definitely that I think a Sharpie works so much better. I'm going to switch it out. I'm just going to do Sharpie. Okay, wait. So the first part of the program before it homes, we need to do. This is like the prep code. This is gonna be like Wait, it's gonna be first. It's gonna be $X, M3S0, M3S140. Then it homes. I mean, it's sort of a circle. Okay, so then, all right, what's next? Then we got to do a, oops. Then we got to lift it up. Then we got to go, Y10, G0Y10. Or wait, yeah. And then we want to copy this thing again. Oh, we forgot to put the pen down. And then let's fix this, I don't know why this isn't working. I don't know. Okay, so now we want to go to hey yo, bruh. Okay, so now we want to go to lift it up. Then we want to go to G0X 180 Y 0. Then we want to drop the pen and then draw a line that's like, I don't know, 5, 10, I don't know, like, let's make it like 30 centimeters, or 30 millimeters. So then it's going to be G0X 150. Then it's going to be G2, no wait, I'm close, hold on, look. I got the circles. It's doing the circles. I'm just writing the rest of the code. This is fucking awesome, bro. You can just build this. Alright, so now we want the radius. So then it's going to be G2Y10R5. And then 80. I think that's the whole penis. And then we just gotta lift it up and M30 it, right? Alright, so let's fucking run this thing. Oh my god. So I think the next thing to do is clearly to like fill the page with penises, right? Like that's obvious. That's, hold on, what's that scene from 21 Jump Street? Oh, I don't want to show anything from a movie. I'm gonna get banned. Oh my god, that's so funny, man. Alright, wait. But I do want to figure out why when it homes. Oh, because I'm supposed to be doing a 110. That's why. So wait, hold on. First off, we need to actually fix this because when I run. So I'm gonna do it again. Let's move it over here, and I'm gonna run it again. But okay, we gotta turn off that M30. That M30 is super annoying because, yeah, this is bad. All right, so oh, wait, hold on. I gotta make it better. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do see, now this is art. So we lift it up to 110. Then we're gonna go to G0 Y5 X, and it's gonna be it's gonna be 145. But we're gonna go to 40. Then we're gonna drop it down. We're gonna draw a line out of it, and we're gonna draw 3 lines, and they're gonna each be, so it's gonna be wait, we lift it up. Wait, hold on. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, wait. So we drop it down. We draw a 5mm line. Then we lift it up. Then we go to there. And then we drop it down. Yeah. Okay, then we go to 125. Alright, let's see if this works. So, but first when we run this, we gotta... Okay, this part of the pad is a little bit warped, I think. Ooh, wait, hold on. Wait, we need to make sure that at the end of every code we do this. So, hold on. Monitor.py M3S110. Okay. Oh, it got stuck. Hold on. You gotta help it out sometimes, I guess. What is it stuck on? Okay, wait, hold on. What happened? Oh, did I? Wait, hold on. Is this just naturally doing this? Whoa. That's bizarre. It's like naturally hiking up the, Oh, I guess because as it gets pushed up, it's falling down. So, yeah, we need to fix that. Alright. in any case, this should work now. Oh, fuck. I think homing got messed up. Okay, let's try it again. Guys, I want a Juicero. I really want a Juicero. Somebody send me a Juicero. Okay, I say we try it again. Just gonna keep running it. See, it's getting stuck. I think I need to, how do I resolve that? Because the problem is this thing. That's so interesting. You can see it. By the end of the program, it doesn't lift up anymore because the bolt. I'm wondering actually if we could just get rid of this bolt entirely. Or nut, sorry. I'm wondering if we can just get rid of the nut. It's super sketch, but it might work. Oh, baby. That's funny as hell. So now what we need to do is we need to make this, I don't know, incremental or something. We probably want it to be incremental so we can do it in a loop. Because I want to make a big grid of penises as a calibration. Guys, I'm also selling these on my Etsy. If anyone wants Robo Penis, let me know. Okay, so I think, okay, so now what we want to do is make generate penis grid.py. I don't actually know how to do this. I'm gonna ask Chat GPT. Where's my Firefox? Boy, I don't even have Firefox open. Whoa. I don't know if I can do that. Wait, no, what? I've never seen that before. Does G-code really have all that? Nobody ever talks about that. Pattern. Okay, yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking. So then, let's, so wait, hold on. Incremental penis dot G-code. Alright, let's see if this works. I feel like this will work. Okay. So it's time for incremental penis. Whoa. I don't know what it did at the beginning there, but it definitely messed something up. Okay. So that was almost good. It homed it, then it went to G 190, and then it dropped it. It is minus 10 though. It got the shape, but then I don't know what happened with, none of that seemed wrong either. What exactly happened? Yeah, I'm gonna run it again, but it definitely ran it into the, Why is it like running into the side of the thing? This X minus 10. I think I'm gonna do this. Wait, hold on. Let's just do this. okay. I just don't wanna go home. I'm just getting it started. I'm just getting it started. Alright, if anyone cares about what I'm actually doing on screen, I'll put this here. I'm trying to get it working. G91, G2. See, okay, alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do G91. Okay, now we're going to drop it. We're going to drop it, M3S 140. Oh, it's stuck. Okay, there we go. It does still get stuck sometimes. Okay, then now we want to do let's just do a G1. Oh, you know why? It's because there's G0 respect incremental versus, I don't know. So okay, we're gonna do a G0 X. So where are we at? So we're at 150. So G0 X minus 10. Yeah, that was right. So then where in this code are we getting all this hoopla? Alright, so let's just run this code then. The homing must be wrong. Yeah, it crashed. Yeah, so I don't know why it's doing that. The homing must be messed up. Okay, wait. I'm going to do this. And we're going to try to run the thing again. I don't know why it's doing what it's doing. Okay, wait. Where are these errors? What is the error messages? GRB. We gotta look up the. You know what I want to do? In but why isn't it lifting up? I think it might be lifting up. It doesn't seem like it's lifting up. It I feel like I need to redesign this part. Ugh. So wait, if I just comment this out. But it doesn't, oh, it doesn't, and, let's see if that works. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, because we don't want to do this. We don't actually want to do that. At the end, bro, it needs to... Why doesn't it... I think I want to do like a simpler grid where I can just kind of stress test this a little bit more. I think I'm confirming what I already know is that I need to like just redesign a bunch of this stuff. But here's what we're going to do. Wait, I should be able to just... Dude, wait, did it put the M30 at the end? What the hell was that? God damn it. Just get a new page. I don't know why it's not let's make the delay more. Okay, what if I wait? Hold on, wait. Okay, wait. Let's make it 1 second. Cause it's not even. Wait, but it's not even. Oh. We need to redesign this thing. This thing sucks, man. You gotta like hold it and stuff like that. What is a better design though? It would have to be something like. I mean, I don't know why we're starting to get this issue. Wait, hold on. It's actually like a decently robust thing. It's not the worst. Like, well, what about, what if we what if we did that? Just a. We could even 3D print that part. Let's try this. The servo's definitely strong. The wobble is kind of... Do we think that if I made the hole size smaller... I don't know. I think I want to do some more iterations, but I don't know. I feel like I might just have the totally wrong approach. Or it's just like... It's just poorly designed. It's not bad, actually. Alright, I want to do a big grid. Let's see if we can do a big grid. First off, this is going to be 100. Pen up speed. It thinks it's a speed because, yeah. So this could be 90. Okay, so it's gonna be here, here. Wait. Oh, wait. Fucking what? I want to try taking out the I want to try taking out the spring. So this was wait, hold on. This. Okay, let's no spring is working the best, man. No spring. That was with S100. Okay, so this was no spring, and it was M3S100. So no spring in a lot of ways did really well. Well, that's no good. This seems like the best one yet. Maybe I should get working on bolting it down. That's pretty good. No spring. Wow. Who would have thought? Let's try the penis. The fact that it can wiggle around so much in there, though, is so ridiculous. Oh. Let me try to run it again. And hold both still, too. Oh, fuck. It can't do those lines in succession, really. This guy really went above and beyond with the tool changer, man. Springs, rods. I never understood. First off, it uses a stepper, but I didn't understand. Oh, it pushes it down, right?
Version of it in the download files. Next, I inserted the 4 linear bearings into the sliding part and secured the micro servo in place. Then I also secured the pen plotter holder part right next to the servo. For connecting the fixed and the sliding parts together, first we need to pass the servo wire through a hole in the fixed part and then insert the 6mm slots from the top through the bearings and through the fixed part hole. While installing the rod, we should also insert a spring in between the fixed and the sliding part in a way that it pushes the sliding part down. This will help the pen to have a better contact with the work surface. At the bottom side of the fixed part, there are openings where we can insert M3 nuts and use them for securing these 6mm rods in place. Next, we can assemble the pen holder unit that goes on one side of the machine. It's composed of top and a bottom part with openings that can accommodate up to 12 pens. I continued with installing the belts. First, we need to measure how much length we need and cut it approximately to size. For attaching the belt to the sliding block, I made these cool belt connectors where the belt goes around a hollow shaft and in between two walls that doesn't allow the belt to move. Using an M3 bolt, we can secure the first connector.
Okay, so his... Wait, does it? Or does it lift something up? I don't get how the Z-axis works on this thing,
I
man.
continued with installing the belts. First, we need to measure how much length we need and cut it approximately to size. For attaching the belt to the sliding block, I made this to the other in a straight line from one to the other side, while passing through the pulley will go in a straight belt as much as we want. As for the x-axis, the belt will
Dude,
go
his
in a
thing is
straight
so
line
well
from one
designed,
to the
it's
other
crazy.
side, while passing through the pulleys in a way that they will provide tension or grip to the stepper motor pulley. For tension in the x-axis belt, I made these connectors that have a shape as the belt, and so we can tie them to the sides of the machine. Next, we can install the limit switches. I actually ended up lowering a bit this z-axis limit switch, and as for the x and the y limit switches, I used the ones from my previous project, which already had wires connected to them. With this, the mechanical part of this machine is ready, and now we can move on with connecting the electronics. As I mentioned, we are using an Arduino Uno board in combination with a CNC shield and 3 A49 VDH stepper drivers. For attaching the Arduino board to the machine, I made an additional 3D printed part
That's so
that goes
sick,
on the
man.
side panel. I secured the Arduino board with two M3 bolts, and on top of it I inserted the CNC shield. Here we need to insert 3 jumpers for each stepper driver in order to select 16 stepper resolution, and then insert the stepper drivers in place. Then we can connect the motors to the CNC appropriately. For connecting the micro limit switches in place, I simply soldered wires directly to them, and on the other side I soldered female pin headers, which I got them from some jump wires. As for the servo motor, I used some servo extension cables so that it can reach the CNC shield. For powering the machine, we need 12 volts power supply. Nevertheless, here's a circuit diagram of how everything needs to be connected. There are a few final touches that needs to be done in order to complete this pen plotter. Here I am installing the pen gripper, which is simply attached to the servo motor through the servo horn. For managing the cables from the pen plotter, I used the
Dude, he doesn't show the Z, bro.
which material is
This whole thing is a
fixed well,
scam.
so it was perfect for the job. With this, our drawing machine is actually completed. However, there are a few things that we should note here. As the y-axis rail is unsupported on one side and the 3D printing PLA material itself is not that rigid, hello, Dan here from howtomechatronics.com, and in this video I will show you how I built a CNC pen plotter or a drawing machine, but with one cool feature, and that's automatic tool change. In other words, the machine will be able to automatically change colors, and so we can draw really cool stuff with it. The construction of the machine is based
Thing is
on my
so
digital
awesome,
CNC
man.
laser engraver machine from my previous video, where the goal was to make the simplest CNC machine with minimum parts possible. It uses 3 NEMA 17 stepper motors for the
How does that
X, Y,
thing
and
work?
Z axis motion and a small servo motor.
Dude, look
for
at
the
how
grip.
good that
The
is.
brain of the CNC machine is an Arduino Uno board in combination with a CNC shield and 3 84988 stepper drivers. The work area is fairly big with
I just don't understand how the hell that thing... How is it connected?
.160 by 280 millimeters, and the level of details this plotter can output
Dude,
is,
that's
in my
so
opinion, quite
good.
impressive too. I was actually surprised how good and precise the drawings came out.
It's
especially
so
the ones
good.
where I used a 0.6 millimeters gel pen. Nevertheless, now I will explain everything you need to know about building a drawing machine like this, including how to design it, connect the electronics, what firmware and software to use, and how to generate G-code for it.
I do want to see how
To
to...
begin with, let's have a look at the design of the CNC machine. As I already mentioned, this machine is based on the design of my previous CNC.
I think it just hits that little notch. You see that little notch there?
Of my previous CNC laser engraver machine.
See that little lip right there? I think that little lip just contacts the... So it can be... Because the thing that I'm worried about is that the load path... A fancy word I learned. The load path... I don't even know if that's the right word. But basically, the force is not applied directly in the center of the thing. And what I'm... I think, it definitely makes sense to use linear bearings. Ugh. What does that mean? But then it's gonna get way heavier. Honestly, should I just do a V2? Should I just redesign this thing from scratch? I really don't want to. I want to move on, man.
not going to Stephen Seff's tonight.
All right, so let's. I think what I'm gonna do is just one more test, and I want to make a little hee hee ha ha funny video. So hold on. Raised up. Okay, so hold on. Okay, but I think I'm gonna go read a book or something, because I am not in a state of mind to redesign this whole thing to use linear rails, even though it's clearly we got to do it. I'm trying to imagine what it looks like. All right, but I'm going to make a little funny hee hee ha ha funny video. So first off, let's just make a couple of penises on here. Oh, okay, hold on. Okay. Damn it. Dude, why does it shake so much? Oh, shoot. Hold on. Wait, this is so bad. Oh, fuck me. Wait, I know what to do. Why am I being so lazy? All right. Oh, shit. You talk. We did it. We did it. We did it. All right. Anyways, let's just do a couple more. Okay, now let's do grid of dots. Okay, this is my CNC pen plotter, and we can see that it's lifting up the pen. And the dots are pretty good. One thing that's a little strange is I initially had a spring here pulling it down, and it was working. We definitely are going to need something like a linear rail. Ignore the penises. But so it's sort of working, but it probably needs a couple more iterations. Also, the levelness of the paper causes an issue. As you can see, it's getting lifted up here. But it's pretty reliably lifting it up and down. The problem is that there's a little bit of space in the dovetail that leads to it being pretty unreliable. So, you know, this is our first prototype. Alright, so we got our hee. Hey, what's up, bro? What's going on? So, we got the pen lifting up, but it's not as good as I want it to be. It's like kind of bad, actually. I mean, it's not terrible, but it's not. Oh, bro. I went to bed too late last night. Let's get a video of it doing penis.py or penis.g code. Alright, so let's stop it. Move this paper maybe like right there. Okay. Alright, after weeks of building this thing, we can finally run penis.g code. The circles aren't too good. Kind of moves the page a little bit. But if you saw that in a textbook, you would know what they were trying to draw. Let's try to do maybe one more. I have developed the perfect test program for my machine. It requires arcs, it requires lines, it requires picking up the pen. That's right, folks. Kind of a fail. That one's kind of a fail, man. Oh, because it keeps falling off. That's... Okay, wait, hold on. We need to get that... Okay, fuck. Okay. I don't know why I didn't do this a long time ago. Where is that thing? Okay, I found one. We gotta, like... Okay. Got a little bolt that we can now... So we gotta take this all off again. Okay, so we gotta unplug this thing. We get this guy on here. Zero it out. Put it down real low. Get this, get a screwdriver. Alright, that's not going anywhere. I think. Okay. Why don't we make a massive penis? Let's see. Let's see if ChatGPT can... No, see, this is no good. Alright, in any case, let's just... Wait, we have this. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Okay, so this is a G0. Okay, let's make it 20. So this is going to be, we need to put an F here. This is going to be, so it's going minus 10. So the ball size is the diameter. Ball diam. So it's going to be minus, so this is going to be, and this is going to be, Is that right? We will get this giant penis. So help me God. I'll just this is going to be what is this? Oh. And then 40, this is going to be ball R plus 3 times ball diam. Okay. Okay, we're gonna try to do this. Incremental penis. Big penis. Okay. Okay, let's get this thing sorted. Oh. Just page after page of penis. Let's make this balls. Let's see. Okay, so now we're gonna do. Wait, where is the? Okay, wait, but we actually want to do ball diam equals 40. Generate it. We need a third one, dude. Come on, am I crazy or what? We need a third one. So now we gotta lift it up. All right. All right. After weeks of building my pen plotter, I finally come up with the perfect test program. After weeks of building my pen plotter, I have come up with the perfect test program. That's right. This is on brand. Oh, I forgot to regenerate it. What's funnier, ignore the penises or make it the star of the show? Okay, well, I don't know what's next. What's next is redesign literally everything. Let's see which videos I get. See pen plotter, and we can see that it's lifting up the pen, and the dots are pretty good. One thing that's a little strange is I initially had a spring here pulling it down, and it was working. We definitely are going to need something like a linear rail. Ignore the penises. But so it's sort of working, but it probably needs a couple more iterations. Also, the levelness of the paper causes an issue. As you can see, it's getting lifted up here. But it's pretty reliably lifting it up and down. The problem is that there's a little bit of space in the dovetail that leads to it being pretty unreliable. So, you know, this is our first prototype. Okay, this is my CNC pen plotter, and we can see. I think not addressing the penises is funnier. CNC pen plotter, and we can see that it's lifting up the pen, and not addressing it is even funnier, but I'm gonna go read. I'm done for today. Dude, I love when people go onto a GitHub repo like Rust's and they say, this is what, like on some issue, this is what specifically has driven me away from Rust. All right, we're all going to drop everything because this one guy really wishes that allow fields and traits that map to L values in impling type should be supported. It's like, all right, buddy. Hey, buddy. All right. This is my CNC. All right. All right, I think that's it for today.